Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Worx Hydroshot WG629E.1. So the model I've got here comes with a 3-piece accessory set. So what is the Worx Hydroshot? So it's basically a portable pressure washer. It's nowhere near as strong as the majority of the powered pressure washers that go directly into a hose pipe and is plugged in, but it is, they claim, up to 10 times more powerful than garden hose. So let's just quickly look at the box. So as you can see, it is part of the Worx Powershare series, so that you can use this battery on the other Worx Powershare products, as it shows in this picture here. This battery here is a 20-volt battery. As you can see here on the picture, you get the actual Hydroshot, you get interchanging front mounts, and then you've got the battery which connects to the back, and you have the little hose going down. So the hose system on this is an electric hose pump, so it pumps from any water reservoir into the machine and out. So this one here, as you can see, I've got the foam cannon, the brush, and a water bucket for portability. So these on their own cost from anywhere from 12 to 15 pounds for individually each one. So it worked out a lot better to get the whole set. And then at the back, so as you can see on the back here, it just has in English 2-in-1 portable power cleaner water sprayer, rated volts, pressure, max water flow, battery pack, and machine weight. So then along the sides here, just at the top, it has 20 volts max, pressure anywhere from 22 bars, max water flow rate 120, battery pack is 20 volt 2 amp. So there are multiple different battery share packs that you can get. It goes from anywhere from 1.3 amp all the way up to, I've seen, 4 amps. The 4 amp battery on its own is around 50-60 pounds, so it's quite expensive. I'm looking at getting a used 2 amp second battery for around 20 pounds, so it works out a lot better. The machine overall weight is quite heavy, it's 1.7 kilos. So imagine holding that for the next 20 minutes or so, it will start to strain on your hands. Also, if I just show you, at the bottom on the box, so you get a 6-meter hose. This is an electric pump hose, so this will pump water in to the system, so you can use it anywhere, and it's got a filter on it as well to stop debris and other dirts getting in. You also get the standard lance, and then you also get an extension lance. You get a carry case, and you get the 20 volt battery, which is, this one's a 2.0 amp. You get the charger, you get the foam cannon, you get the brush, and you get the bucket. So other than that, on this, if you look in the mid right corner, you can see there's pre-settings on here. So you can adjust the nozzle spray, so it goes from 0, which is really thin and concentrated, so you get a lot more pressure coming out into one spot. Then you can open it up to 15, 25 and 40, and then full release. So it's quite good. It has 5 different settings, and that's on the standard lance. So guys, let's just open it up and see what we get inside. Let's turn it around. Hopefully nothing's moving out of place. So when you first open it up, this is what you're introduced to. So it's fairly basic packaging cardboard, so it's good for recycling. So let's just quickly look through it. You get a little leaflet to say that you can buy other products what use the same battery, so you can power share. You get a 3 years warranty that you can extend if you log in online. You get a safety and operational manual, and you get another safety and operational manual. One's for the charger and one's for the actual Hydroshot. So other than that, you get the main part, which is the Hydroshot. This weighs majority of it. This weighs around 1.2. So looking at it, it's got a nice rubber build along the sides where you're holding the grip, and then the rest is hard plastic. It's a little protection to cover the works. You have high and low button here, and that's about it. You have your trigger, you have your hose adapter, and then you have the front where all you can connect your lances into and your other accessories. And then at the bottom is just your battery. So let's just put this to one side quickly. Right on the top you get the big brush. So again, there's different packages you can get. So I've got the one with the accessories. There's other packages where it's just the actual Hydroshot with the 2 types of lance and the 6-meter hose without the other accessories. And then there's another one with the same ones as the standard, but you get 2 batteries inside. So this is the brush, and there's the connector. It just connects straight into the machine. So this brush here releases water from the middle, and you can scrub at the same time. So this is good for cars and other places that you want to clean, like chairs and other dirty places. So now if you remove the top casing, nothing else in there. So here's the main hose. So it's a nice plastic hose with netting inside. This is a 6-meter hose, so it's going to be quite good, long enough to reach most places, considering you don't need to connect it to a main line, but you can if you want. And this is the filter and their pump. So this pump will pull in water into the machine, and there's a little buoyancy, so it stays on top of the water. It also comes with a clip, so you can clip it onto your bucket so it shouldn't move if you're dragging it around. That's the 6-meter hose. What else do we get? We get this net bag, very big. As you can see, it's big as the box. So this will carry your Hydroshot around. Makes it just a bit better. They didn't have to give this, but it's good. You get your short lance or your standard lance, and as you can see, it's got a click on it. Focus, guys. So if you look in the center here, you're just using whichever one that you click it onto, and it has the measurements along the side. If you can hear that click, you can take it both ways. So yeah, very good build. Feels solid, feels like it will last a while. Then you get this. This is what I think is really cool. I couldn't find it online on its own, so you might struggle unless you find someone reselling it, or you can just get pretty much any bucket to contain water in. So this opens up like so, and there's a handle, and you can just collapse it when you don't need it. And because of the material, it won't leak any water, and you can store water in here. I think it carries up to 5 litres, but no, I'm not too sure. So then other than that, you get the extension lance. So for things like the foam cannon, you need to attach it to the extension lance. So if you put it on the short, if you don't put it on any of the lances, and just attach any attachment onto it, you don't get the full FPS. So this is from anywhere from 250 to 350 FPS. Without any lances on it, it goes up to 100 roughly. So you need to attach a lance, especially things like the foam cannon where you need more power. So yeah, this is the extension lance. Then you get your foam cannon, just a basic foam cannon. There's no adjustments on here to adjust how much you want coming out. There is measurements along the side. I was going to say there is none, but yeah, it's just a standard cannon. Let me see if I can get it out for you lot. So as you can see, it's just very basic. You might want to upgrade this so that you can change how much pressure you want coming out of this. But yeah, it came with the package, so I thought I'll give it a try. Last but not least, you get the box. So in here is your charger and your battery. If you open it up, there's the battery itself. It weighs quite a bit, so this, when attached to that, is why it weighs a lot. So this battery here, it has a battery indicator at the front. Right now they need to deplete the battery before shipping. I think it takes anywhere from 3 to 5 hours to fully charge. And as you can see, this one is a 2 amp, so I'm looking at getting another 2 amp. I think it'll be good because they claim it lasts anywhere up to 35 to 40 minutes, but average users get anywhere up to 20 minutes on full power. So I'll probably need double that just to get my car clean or any big jobs. So yeah, this is the battery and it just clicks in. I'll show you that in a bit. Then you get your charger. Standard charger, plugs in. They do offer a fast charger one, but they don't provide that in the box. A bit like iPhone, what they're doing. But yeah, and it has a charging indicator, so it tells you what type it's on and how much juice is charged. But yeah, and that just plugs into that. So let's move the box aside and we'll look at everything together. So guys, quite a lot to fit into the camera, but this is everything together. What I'll be doing is showing you updated video on me using the actual Hydroshot and seeing how it gets on. I'll do a quick sample video just in my garden just to show you the pressures. I'll also do a video update on how to charge it properly and how to use it correctly. And then what we'll do is I'm going to be releasing some videos relating to my car and my missus' car and upgrades, and we'll be using this to see how good it cleans the car. But yeah, let's just quickly attach the battery on just to see. So the battery should just slide in, and then to get the battery off again, you need to click down and slide out. Simple. Other than that, attaching any accessories, so let's just attach the little lamps. As you can see, they just need to line up, so there's two-way pin. So as you see, it just clicks in and it just stays in, and you simply pull out to get it off. So guys, that was a quick unboxing, well, quickish unboxing of the Worx Hydroshot pressure washer. So this is a portable one again. This is on offer at the moment for £130 in Argos. You may find used ones for around 109, but I think due to the fact that it has a brush motor, it's probably better to buy brand new. And they're confident that it will last up to 3 to 4 years because they warranty it. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and thumbs up would be great. Peace out.